Hey there, welcome back to Glambition by Mikaya Dionne. Thank you so much for joining me back here on my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to keep your false lashes clean and reuse them more than one time. We spend so much money on our false lashes, and it's ridiculous that we only get one use out of them. So today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks of my own on how to keep those lashes clean and get more than one or two uses out of them. So if you're interested in learning more, please stick around. Let's jump right into it. I am literally only using one product, and that one product is an oil-free eye makeup remover. And today I'm just using the Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. It says eye makeup remover, but you can totally use it for more than just your eyes. I've used it to remove my makeup off of my face, and today we're gonna use it to clean our lashes. So let's jump right into it. So the only thing you need to do is shake up that oil-free remover. We're going to add it to our paper towel. Soak it into the paper towel like so. And I have these lashes. I've worn these. I just wore these maybe a couple of days ago. And so I'm gonna clean them for you right now. You can see. I'm gonna take one out of the case. You want to clean them one at a time. Now you see how icky that is? It's got glue and mascara and all that kind of stuff stuck in it. So I'm just going to place that on the area where I put the eye makeup remover. And I'm going to fold the paper towel in half over it. And I'm just going to massage it back and forth, back and forth. And I do that for maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so I have been massaging my lash in this paper towel soaked in my makeup remover for quite some time, and as you can see, the glue and mascara is starting to loosen up from the lash. So now I'm just going to fold it together and lightly pull away the glue from the lash band. And you're just going to gently do that until you get all of it removed. Alright, so we're starting to see the glue soften, and at this point you can pretty much pull that glue from the lash band. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just pulling it away. Now, as you can see, my lash is completely clean and free of any debris, mascara, glue, all that gunky stuff is completely gone. So from here, I'm gonna just spray it with my 70% alcohol and place it back in my eyelash case. Now, I like to keep as many of my eyelash cases as possible for safe storing, free from any dust or debris that may fall on them. And I'm gonna close it, and that's that. We've got a brand new clean lash ready for another use. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks, and come again. We'll see you next time.